I just received my KOIOS 4-in-1 hand blender, aka Immersion blender today. It is supposed to come with a 4-in-1 blender, a stainless steel blade, and it also includes 600 milliliter Beaker and stylish black finish. I purposely bought this because my boyfriend's birthday is coming up, and I plan on making him a cheesecake with some strawberry puree on it, and as well as making my own graham cracker crust. So I needed something that had not only the blender to puree my strawberries, but also the chopper so I can, of course, make graham cracker crust because I do not have a food processor. So I just wanted to open it up and show y'all what it looks like as I am pulling it out piece by piece to see how nice and pretty it is, brand new. Make sure that all the parts and pieces are here. Stainless steel, looks pretty nice, and it's very heavy duty with the dial control here. Everything looks good there. And I also have the blade piece. Looks solid, nice stainless steel as described. Nice sharp blade. It may be a little hard to clean in here. After each use, it has a slight gasket in there, so food may or may not get in there. I'll definitely have to find some kind of proper cleaning tool to make sure I get that thoroughly cleaned. And let's see what else is in here. I'm really excited to have this because I've been actually wanting an immersion blender for years. So, and I now have a small size food processor, and the immersion blender itself, I believe, is supposed to fit up here as so. So that looks like it's going to work pretty nicely. Comes right off there. I had to push the button here, and it came right out. And there's a nice blade on the inside as well. So I look forward to seeing how well that's going to work.
Okay, this is a review for the KOIOS 4-in-1 hand blender set. I got the red. I've already cut up some jalapeno peppers, and I don't know, maybe they're all jalapeno. I don't know, I got a long one and I got the short fat ones. So I'm going to give this a shot for the first time. Okay, I can tell that it's on. You would use this. There's these two buttons here, and you lift up for release. Okay, we got the little lighted up here. No idea how loud this will be. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, probably do that. All right, then we'll notice there's a, let's see, there's a power button and then there's a turbo button. This is the power button. As you can see, it's cutting up pretty nicely. That's turbo, this is normal. Let's set it up to an 8. Why not? Okay. Like I said, we'll take this right off. And this screws on for safety. It's kind of tough to do one-handed here. There we go. And yeah, look at that. It's looking delightful. That will go for my chili. And this has been a good experience. This is
Product is great, it's powerful and everything. Upon opening this part of the box, I bought this new, I noticed, why are there water spots? Okay, and then I see that. Let me take it off. I just washed the others, okay? These were spotless. This one, however, had food marks. So that's food stuck on that little lock. Food stuck on the blade. You can see that, right? Even if it's blurry. Okay, that is not new. And I doubt they're gonna discount.
So I got the cup. I also got the whisk. And the other piece that the whisk is supposed to be attached to. The chopper section here. And the frother is at the bottom. But then there's nothing else that came in the bag, which is very disappointing.
Here's my situation. I just opened this morning, used the milk frother for about 5 seconds before it made a noise and stopped. And now when I go to plug in, you see this outlet works, this fan is on. When I go to plug in this blender, it no longer lights up. It's completely not functional. The buttons don't even click anymore.
Bueno, estamos aquí en mi primera harina de almendras.
Yeah, my wife is loving it. First thing she did was open up, drink a beer.